Hi guys, welcome to another live stream. I'm Jay and we're currently over on the Christmas Everyday Club website. Excuse me, and today I'm going to create or show how to create word searches, but in the Christmas horror movies genre. So I've created this blog post. It's called 13 Nightmares Before Christmas Horror Movies Quiz, and it's got lots of different it's got a few different what do you call it, quizzes and that under different topics like classic horrors and stuff like that. Pretty cool image, isn't it, guys? Yeah, so it tells you all about it. You can learn a bit more about them and all about different. It's just worth giving a read. Tips for how to do the practice quizzes. Yeah, there is a video already uploaded about that. Another cool image. Look at this one. Yeah, cool. Yeah, so then you've got quizzes here. But what I'm going to do today, I'm going to create a word search and then I'm going to add it to this page. So if you want it to go along with these like quizzes, feel free to download it. But then I'm also going to create a lot more different ones and upload it to the Christmas Everyday Club Patreon page, which if you look in the description of the Twitch or in the description of the YouTube video, you will find it here. And then you can check out the different membership packages. If you want to sign up, guys, there's 3 different ones. Feel free to come and read all about them. And then we're going to go to ChatGPT, get some Christmas movies and different words and that to use over on this app here. And we're going to use this one here, what's called word search. But we can also make others like word scrambles, letter tracing, word snake, word oku. Yeah, lots of different ones on here, guys. But today, let's focus on how to create word search. Now, you can change lots of these different settings here to make it how you want it. You can title it, but we're going to keep all these basic. And here it says your word list, yeah, your custom word list. So all you're doing is come over to chat GPT, and what I've done, I've wrote this out, and it says I am creating a multiple printable word searches. Yeah, I don't have to have the I in it. I'm creating multiple printable word searches. The theme is Christmas movies, and each page will have a different genre, starting first with Christmas horror movies. So let's see that. See, this should give us a list of movies now. Yeah, we don't need the dates on. What I should have done, I'm going to say, please give without the date and no spaces between the words. Yeah, so let's see if they can give this us. Yeah, that's better, guys. You'll see in a minute when I copy and paste it. Some of these might be a bit too long, like this one here. That's 20 words, that, yeah? So, no, 20 letters, sorry. So it gives 15. What I'll do, I'll just copy the first 5. Come back over to my app, yeah? Paste them in here. And it says use a comma or a space to separate the words. I'm just going to try this, but I need to change this here, right? Because the board width is only 10. So if I put it up to 20, put it up to 25, then that one with the 10 letters, the 20 letters, will fit, hopefully. And then I don't mess around with any of it over this, yeah? Generate sample. Hopefully it'll work. Please increase the grid size. Okay, where's the grid size? I thought I had. Okay, let's pleasing. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to actually separate these with, yeah, and then what I'll do, I will put them all in a line like this. It's all about playing around with it, guys, and seeing what works for you, see if it works. So let's generate sample now. It should work. Yeah, here we are. Here's our thing here, and these are 5 words. The solutions are here. So what we can do now, we can make it a bit smaller. We don't have to have it 30 to be. Put it at 25. Put that at 25. Should now create another one. Yeah, so it's smaller now. You can see, yeah. So the solution they've moved. Yeah, so there's a 20. Oh, that one's 23. Or 22. It's a long one, isn't it, guys? Yeah, and that's all you do. You then download it here. You create board data. You can change the colours as well, guys. Make it a bit more festive. And then when you click on create board, bring to this page. You can create multiple. Like if you put loads of different ones in, loads of different words, and separate them, it'll bring. You can print off multiples. Yeah. Then you just that one now download all recommended. Then if you want to jazz it up a bit, take it off to Canva, and then put some like nice features on it. Yeah. But that is it for today, guys. It's just short and sweet. Hope you enjoy it, and I will be coming back with making more. And like I said, I'm going to be printing loads of these off, different, like not the same movies, but different movies and that. I might put a bit of colour into them and that. So come over to the Christmas Everyday Club website, check out this 13 what's it called? I forgot the name of it. 13 Nightmares Before Christmas horror movies quiz. Yeah, so check out that. The free bit will be on this page. There might be some other freebies as well, but then also come over to the Patreon page and check out the different tiers and see what you fancy, guys, because there's going to be a lot of freebies, and I'm going to be uploading so much content to this Patreon page, guys. I give away a lot of free stuff all year long, and I'm going to carry on giving a lot of free stuff all year long, but I also want to try and see if anyone appreciates it, and if they do, come and support us. And then, yeah, thanks very much, guys. Until next time.